Greetings, brand builders. This is Brian from Brand Builder Websites, and I am here to explain the benefits of using the prefetch and pre-render features available in HTML5 compliant browsers. These benefits include faster load time, better rankings in search engines, and possibly an easier browsing experience. But before I do that, let me first explain what I mean by prefetch and pre-render. Prefetch is a feature that was first introduced in Firefox. The basic idea was you could list off some files or a link to a next page, and the browser would download these files after it finished loading the current page. Let me be clear, it just downloaded these files. Downloading some files is nice, it does speed up loading the next page, but to really be effective you need to know a lot about the next page beforehand. This made it somewhat cumbersome to work with. This complexity is what led Chrome to develop the pre-render feature. Instead of listing off some files you want it to load, you just tell Chrome what is the next page. When you do this, Chrome will not only download the page, it will do everything it normally does to load the page. When the person clicks on the page, it will load in a snap. Now that I've explained what prefetching and pre-rendering are and how they can lead to a faster loading time, let me cover the SEO implications. HTML4 introduced link tags called prev and next that, as you might expect, point to the previous and next pages from the current page. In most situations, the next page is the page that you are going to want to prefetch or pre-render. If two pages contain next and previous link tags, then this will send a signal to search engines about your site's intended navigation. As always, anything that you can do that will simplify things for a search engine will positively affect your SEO. Now let me talk about the easier browsing experience. You see, Microsoft spent a lot of time in recent years to turn Internet Explorer into a decent browser. Microsoft realized that prefetch and pre-render are not mutually exclusive features and implemented both in IE 11. But that's not all that was done recently. In IE 10, they built out this cool feature called flip ahead browsing that used those next and previous links that I just talked about, so that when you are in the modern UI or the Metro or whatever you want to call it mode in Windows 8, you can move to the next page simply by swiping your finger from right to left. Here, let me show you. Right now, I'm on my Surface Pro visiting our mobile websites page. Now watch me swipe twice, and I'm on our online and search marketing page. Swipe backwards, and I'm on our creative services page. Now I know what you're thinking. How do I add this to my site? Good news for all you clients powered by Site Brand Builder. We've automatically enabled this for you based on your site's navigation. If you use WordPress, then there are a number of plugins that are available that could add this feature. I recommend the WordPress SEO by Yoast plugin. If you are a web developer, please visit the blog post for this video. The blog post contains a transcript that has links that explains everything. That's it for this video. Please leave us feedback so that we know if we should do this again in the future. And don't forget to like this video on YouTube and subscribe to our channel. Please +1 and like this post on our blog, and like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Google+, and LinkedIn. Thank you, and keep on building your brand.